Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all followers on Instagram at once. First, you have to open your Instagram application, then you have to go to your profile, and then here you will find the followers. By tap on this, you will find all the follower list here. I have a few followers here, so you can remove followers one by one by tap on this cross icon here. For example, if I tap on this cross icon, you will find a remove button. When you tap on it, it will remove from your follower list. Then you can tap one by one and you can remove one by one followers from your followers list, because there is no dedicated feature by which you can delete all your followers on your account at once. So you just need to delete one by one followers from your account. But if you have so many followers and you want to delete all the followers on your account, then you can do another thing. You just need to simply tap on this three horizontal line button. Then you just need to scroll down all the way down, and from here you can just get an option help. Simply tap on it. Now here you can report a problem or you can request for support. Now from here you can report, simply tap on it. You can report a problem from here, or you can support a request, and here you can tap on this photo here. You will find these reports about average and spam should be submitted here, or you can find that report problem without checking. You can just need to tap on this. Then here you just need to tap on that would you like to include complete logs or diagnostics. If you want, then include and continue. If you don't, then don't include and continue. From here you just need to type that hello Instagram. Let me type it properly. Team, I just want to delete all my followers on my account at once. Please help me with that. And then simply tap send, and it will send to your Instagram representatives. When you send it, they will just give a look on it, take a look on your request or report, and they will take steps for it. They will get connected with you, or they can send you an email through that email that are associated with your account. Then you can talk with them about why you want to remove all your followers, and you have to verify yourself. You have to verify your identity to complete this process, this removal process. Then that's how you can remove or delete all your followers on your Instagram account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.